Hey guys, welcome to video number 5 on implementing a GDPR compliance program using Form Titan and Salesforce. So far we've discussed create a GDPR registration form, allow your contacts to manage their information, we've shown you what Smartv can do, we've created fields, pushed data into Salesforce, we've shown you how to view data from Salesforce, we've also shown you how to push data into Salesforce and update it. This one, we're going to show you how to set up a registration page on your Smartv. What if the user tries to log in, but the details are not there? The Smartv is going to say it can't find anything. What do you do then? Well, you can set up a registration link in case you've deleted the GDPR details and you need to get the consent again. If the user signs up new, you can set up a registration page in their Smartv so they can re-register again. So let me put that into a demonstration for you. Pretend I've got my Joe blogs at GDPR and I go ahead and delete him from Salesforce completely. Now he's deleted, but if I log into my form using his email, it will say invalid login. At this point I want to register again. How do I do that? Well, let me show you how. So in your Smartv, you can go into back into basic, and then tick allow registration. Now click configure, and here you can paste a URL of an existing form. Do you remember we duplicated our form in video 3, I believe? Now what we can do is go ahead and paste that URL in here. So I'll tell you what I'll do is I'll quickly go ahead and open link a new tab. Once we're there, we'll go ahead and open that form. So let's go ahead and open the first form that we created. It was our, I believe, called GDPR demo. So let's type it in here for the sake of it. There we go, that's our form. Let's go into that and say publish, and we'll copy this URL. And then we'll go back into our form in here and then click on configure, allow registration. We'll paste that URL. We'll say register here and we'll say open in self. Click apply, save. Now let's try again. So if I go into preview, I'm going to type in my email. It says invalid login, but now I can register. Now let's go and type in Joe blogs, give him my email .com, and we'll go ahead and give him a random mobile, and we'll say I consent again. Click send. Now let's go and check what's happened in our integration log. So we'll go into form, Salesforce integration log, and there you go. I think this should be it. Yep. Nope, that's not the one. Here it is, the record's created. There you go, Joe blogs, I consent, and there's a record. And now what we can do is we can go ahead and actually log in. We don't need to register anymore because we already have. Let's log in. It's going to send us the code. There's our code. Let's copy our code and then paste it in here. We can close this, don't need this. Continue. There we go, there's that information. Now let's go ahead and type in I do not consent. Let's actually change this to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0, and we'll say Joe blogs GDPR. We'll go ahead and update, and that update should have gone through now. Let's go back into our integration log. In fact, for the sake of it, I'll just refresh Joe blogs here. And there you go. Joe Blogs GDPR, I do not consent, even 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. And that's how you set up a registration page on your Smartv by clicking Smartv, allow registration, paste the URL of a form that you've already created, open in self, parent, blank, modal, all these options available. And then once you go and preview it, you can just click register here and then off you go. That's how easy it is to do. Thank you for watching this video, and that's all the GDPR information available to you that you can use, the tools that you can use. You can update, delete, do whatever you see, whatever you want to do, and that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video.